At this point, you've uploaded your gallery, and now you have the option to customize it for your guests. In this tutorial, we are going to give you an in-depth overview of how to make you and your brand look your best. So let's get started. Everything we're about to cover is extremely user-friendly, so we encourage you to play around with the features as much as possible. Once you're in the image organizer, click Preview and Theme over here on the left-hand side. Now, before we actually get started here, just want to point out the icons in the upper right-hand corner of your screen here. These are put here as a guide to change the view on what your gallery looks like on a computer, tablet, and a smartphone. Some cover images may display differently on each device depending on the cover style, so make sure you choose the best one that fits what you're looking for. Moving down to the cover, you have 4 different options in the drop-down here. After you find the cover you'd like to use, you can keep the feature photo you've already chosen, or add a collection of images and let them play in a slideshow format for your customers. You can also adjust the opacity of this image by using the slider bar found here, and you can also adjust the color by using the color wheel found here as well. For now, we're just going to keep it black. Moving down to the text and fonts, the fonts you choose are self-explanatory, so find the font you want to use in one of the drop-downs here, then choose the color at the bottom, and click Save. The next option we have is the colors your customers will see while navigating through the gallery. Depending on the theme you choose will depend on where you see these colors. Starting off with the theme, depending on the cover type you chose in the previous step, this will be visible around the cover photo. For the accent, this color will complement your main theme color, and it's used for controls, buttons, notifications, and links. For the text, this is the color of the text you will see below the cover image. For the image view background, this is the background around the image after you click on a thumbnail. And for the image view text, this will control the color of the file name and icons that display when a user taps or mouses over an image. After you've adjusted your colors, click Save. Moving down to thumbnails, you have 2 options when choosing the layout of how you want your thumbnails to display. You can either choose the dynamic rows, which as we scroll down here, you'll see the layout. Or if you're using the gallery for in-studio sales, feel free to revert back over to the sales view. The sales view displays the buy button below the images for easier ordering. As you move back over to dynamic rows, you also have the ability to play around with the gutter size, so feel free to adjust that accordingly. One thing to note is that the gutter size will not affect the sales theme. It's only available in the dynamic rows. After you've made all of your changes, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Now, one of the last things you're going to look at is the settings. After you click on it, you'll have the ability to show the file names or hide them. And then moving down to the max image display size, we always recommend adding a watermark to your images if you do choose the HD images, but you can also go with standard images as well. After you've made these changes, click Save. Now, after you've customized the entire gallery, what you can do is go over to the Save Themes and save this theme so that you can use it on future galleries to save yourself some time. The beauty of this is that you can create as many as you'd like, so if you do have a lot of different styles of galleries, you may end up finding yourself creating a lot of these. After you've made all of the changes, you'll want to click Return to Admin Area. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our customer service team. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for additional tutorials and webinars.